So easily you can do the circle, I mean figure, right? So now here is given ABD. So first you see, look here, all of you, look at it. First you just take this point and from here draw one line segment by this point. Okay? So it's quite easy to draw the circle and I mean line segment and the exact diagram. Say this point is your B and this is A and it is D. Then again just take this point and from this point draw another line passing through B anywhere. Okay? It is must passes through B. Say this is P, B and Q. P, B and Q. Okay? Now see, simply join this point known as C, ACP, A to C and P to C. Join it. Isn't it? Same thing for this circle. Join CD and CQ. Right? So in this way, if you draw, then you feel easier to make a diagram. Number one, right? Then what you have to prove? Prove that angle ACP equal to QCD, right? देखिए बेटा बहुत आसान तरीके से समझाना उसको मैं. So simple. First look here. Okay. See. AP is the arc, right? AP is the arc. And now you see the two angles, okay, made by arc AP. So simply you can see here ACP and ABP. These two, okay, means 1 and 2. Isn't are equal? Simply write here angle ABC equals to angle ABP and we are saying angle 1 equals to angle 2. Angles in the same segment. Angles in the same segment are equal. Right? Now I have taken this for this circle. Same thing for the another circle. Means from D and Q. This is the D and Q. Okay? Again, angles in the same segment. Which two angles here? You can see this one. Okay, and this one. Isn't it? Okay, say 3 and 4 means DCQ equals to, yes, say DBQ means angle DCQ 4 and DBQ angle 3. Yes, clear? ये ABP था ABP ACP angle 2 equals to angle 1. Okay, no matter you can change them by labeling them. Clear? Now what you see, this is what line segment. These are
vertically opposite.
yes, very good. These are known as vertically opposite angles. Okay, but we know angle 1 equals to angle 3. Vertically opposite angles. Okay, so 1 equals to 2 and 3 equals to 4. So 2 and 4 are equal. Thanks, bro. Angle 2 is ACP and that is QCD. So ACP equals to angle QCD, and you can say simply here, hence true. Okay. Once again you can see here angle 1 equals to angle 2 by angle the say angles in the same बोलो ना 1 and 2 angle the same segment 3 and 4 Angle of same segment, but 1 equal to 3, therefore 2 equal to 4, hence 4. Now here's next question. If circles are drawn taking two sides of a triangle as diameters, right? Then prove that the point of intersection of these circles lie on the third side. Yes, very important. First of all, you do the diagram. Okay? How will you make the figure? राइट बेटा देख इसके फिगर को बनाने का आसान तरीका है फर्स्ट यू टेकिंग द टू सर्कल्स ओके इंस्टेड ऑफ मेकिंग ट्रायंगल फर्स्ट यू ड्रॉ द सर्कल फर्स्ट स्टेप ओके देन अगेन लुक हियर दिस पॉइंट फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट ड्रॉ a line segment okay or you can say this is the one side of the triangle, right? Then simply join. This is the point of intersection. Second one, the point of intersection of the circle. Join it. Now you can labeling it A, B, C, and simply this is D. Okay. Now you can see if the circles are drawn taking two sides of triangle diameter. It means now AB is diameter. Okay? अगर आप पहले AB diameter ड्रॉ करके आप सर्कल ड्रॉ करते बेटा तो पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन आपका एक्सैक्ट नहीं आता. ठीक है तो आप उसको रिवर्स डायग्राम बनाओ तो आपके लिए इजी रहेगा. फर्स्ट ड्रॉ अ सर्कल. Now by taking the point of intersection as the one point and draw a line we see as the one side of a triangle and simply join the point of intersection the next point. So AB and AC are as diameter. Okay, now very simple it is. Proof is very easy. You can see here. Yes, AB is diameter. AB is diameter. Okay, AB is diameter. Complete triangle. So angle ADB is how much?
90 degree.
Angles in a semicircle is
90 degree.
right angle. Okay, give the result here. Angle subtended in a semicircle is what? Right angle. Now again you can say AC is diameter. AC is what? Diameter. Therefore angle ADC is again 90. Same reason. Okay, angle in the semicircle is right angle. By simply adding them 1 and 2, adding first and second, okay, angle ADB plus angle ADC equals to 90 plus 90 is 180 degree. Clear? Or you can write here in the simplest way. 90 plus 90 equals to 180 and but it is a BDC
Is 9.
BDC right and BDC is at 180 degree it means
Is 9.
this is the
9.
180 degree max a line okay by linear pair BDC is linear pair so therefore points are collinear. Points are what? Collinear. VDC are collinear. So VDC are collinear. Means they lie in the same straight line. That's why the lies on the point of intersection. Now prove that the point of intersection, clear, lies on the third side. So D lies on BC. Hence D lies on BC, hence proof.